If you love Indian mithai and buttery shortbread cookies, today's recipe brings the two together in the most delicious way. Today I'm sharing my recipe for beautiful Burfi shortbread cookies. They're buttery, tender and melt in your mouth with wonderful flavors. To make them extra special, I'm dipping them in white chocolate and decorating with pistachios and dried rose petals. These Burfi biscuits are completely eggless, not overly sweet, and perfect for Raksha Bandhan, Diwali, holidays, gifting, or any special celebration. So let's get started. In a bowl, combine all-purpose flour, milk powder, cornstarch, ground cardamom, and a pinch of salt. Whisk everything together really well. Set the dry ingredients aside while we prepare the butter mixture. Add the softened unsalted butter to a large mixing bowl. Using a hand whisk, mix the butter briefly until it becomes smooth and slightly soft. I am using a hand whisk here, but you can also use a handheld electric mixer or a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment. Now, add the icing sugar and continue whisking until the butter and sugar mixture is soft, smooth and creamy. You don't need to whip the mixture excessively. We just want the butter and sugar to be nicely combined and creamy. Add the rose water and mix again until well incorporated. Scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl as needed so everything is evenly combined. Now, add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture and mix only until everything is combined. Then use your hands to gently bring everything together into a dough. Do not overwork the dough. The dough should be soft but manageable and not sticky. Place the dough onto a clean, lightly floured work surface or on a piece of parchment paper. Then, using a rolling pin, gently roll it to approximately 1/4 inch thickness. Once the dough is rolled, use the cookie cutter to cut the dough into circles. I'm using a 2-inch round cookie cutter, but you can use any shape you like. Now carefully transfer them to the baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Place the entire baking sheet in the refrigerator and chill the dough circles for at least 30 minutes. Don't skip the chilling as it firms up the butter and helps the cookies hold their shape while baking. While the cookies are chilling, preheat the oven to 325 degrees or 165 Celsius. Bake the chilled cookies for approximately 16 to 18 minutes. You don't want these cookies to become deeply golden. They are ready when they look dry and set on top and are just lightly golden around the edges. Then transfer them carefully to a cooling rack and allow them to cool completely. To decorate the cookies, place the finely chopped white chocolate in a bowl. Melt the white chocolate in the microwave in 20-second increments, stirring between each one until completely smooth. Dip half of each shortbread cookie into the melted white chocolate and allow the excess chocolate to drip off. Place it onto a lined baking sheet or cooling rack. While the chocolate is still wet, sprinkle it with finely chopped pistachios and dried rose petals. I love using white chocolate because it complements the milky flavor of the cookies, but you could also use semi-sweet or dark chocolate. Let the chocolate set completely before serving or storing the cookies. Look at this beautiful Burfi shortbread cookies. They are buttery and delicate with the richness of milk powder and subtle flavors of cardamom and rose water. These are wonderful for Raksha Bandhan, Diwali and other Indian festivals, but I also love adding them to holiday cookie boxes. If you make this Burfi Shortbread Cookies, I hope you enjoy them. You can find the link for the complete recipe measurements, tips, variations and storage instructions in the description box below.